Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at eTrader. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. eTrader is a registered brand of Goldenburg Group Limited, which is an established company that is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. This broker offers competitive trading conditions on a wide range of Forex pairs, indices, commodities and shares, and is a popular choice for CFD trading. As an eTrader client, you will have access to an economic calendar, live currency rates, and powerful trading tools. If you are new to trading and you are considering opening an account with eTrader, we advise opening a demo account first, as the minimum deposit required to trade with this broker may put your finances at risk. eTrader offers a wide range of Forex pairs, indices, commodities and shares. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with eTrader, an account must first be opened. Once you've opened an account, you will be able to access more information about the trading conditions offered from the client portal. By default, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 30 when trading with eTrader. However, professional traders are less restricted and are allowed higher leverage of up to 1 to 100. If you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you will be exposing yourself to far greater financial risks, and to do so with caution. If you require any assistance, you can reach the eTrader customer support team via live chat or telephonically. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you will find direct contact details for each department on the Contact Us page. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting their FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you need assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. eTrader provides a sophisticated, user-friendly website with a simplistic design that makes it easy to navigate. You can easily find all the information you need about the instruments you can trade, the platforms and tools you can use, and the trading conditions offered by using the menu bar or the menus at the bottom of the page. At the bottom of the homepage, you will find direct links to legal documentation, policies, as well as terms and conditions. We recommend reading through the terms and conditions before you make your first official deposit, if you do decide to join this broker. eTrader offers competitive conditions for trading CFDs, and this broker's accounts are suitable for more experienced traders. As a client, you can trade on MetaTrader 5, and there is one standard account that will give you full access to all the tools, resources, and instruments eTrader offers. This broker provides 24-hour customer support and powerful trading tools. As an eTrader client, you can trade using MetaTrader 5, which is a popular platform that was released in 2010. MetaTrader 5 has many advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading functionality, and much more. This platform can be downloaded for free from the official MetaTrader website and is beginner-friendly and suitable for all styles of trading, as well as automated trading and hedging. MetaTrader 5 offers a high level of customizability and security, and is also a fantastic option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. Overall, you will have access to more than 38 technical indicators, customizable charts, multiple order types, and a variety of drawing tools. This platform can be viewed in more than 20 international languages and can also be used for expert advisor trading and backtesting strategies. MetaTrader 5 can be downloaded for free from this broker's website, Google Play, or the official MetaTrader websites. There is one standard account that you can open with eTrader, and this broker also offers a MetaTrader 5 demo account. Unfortunately, it seems that eTrader is not accepting any retail client registrations at this time. However, that may change in the future. For the purpose of this review, we will be covering their account features. Their live trading account has negative balance protection, which ensures that you will never lose more money than the funds you have in your account, and your account will never have a negative balance. eTrader offers floating spreads, and at least $250 must be deposited to open an account with this broker. Your first deposit must be made via bank wire transfer. However, after that, bank cards can be used and no deposit or withdrawal fees will be charged. If you are new to trading, then we recommend practicing on a demo account until you have a solid understanding of how trading works, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. eTrader's demo account will expire after 30 days. However, you will have full access to all the platform features during this time. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions eTrader offers, hover your cursor over the Trading tab and head over to the Trading Conditions page. Creating an account with eTrader may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward and you can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the eTrader homepage and then click on the Login button and head over to the registration page. Next, you'll want to complete the online application form and then verify your account and email address. Once your account has been verified, you can log in to their client portal. No documents will be required when using a demo account. However, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. You can make a withdrawal using bank wire transfer only, and a form must be filled in before a withdrawal can be made as an added security feature. As a trader or investor, having access to educational resources, research material, and economic data is a key factor of success. This broker provides live currency rates and an economic calendar, which can be found under the Analysis tab. These tools will give you fundamental insights into global employment data, retail markets and consumer price indexes, economic activities, GDP levels, changes in monetary policies, and updates on major events in over 70 central banks around the world. We also recommend bookmarking the news page to keep track of the latest economic events and market activity. Overall, eTrader offers competitive trading conditions and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is always done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile. So be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of eTrader. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.